Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing fine. Now we are going to solve another problem from lesson number 9. It's about next one. We already solved first problem, maximum double slice sum. Now the second problem is maximum profit. We will calculate how we can get maximum profit from share. This is the problem statement. An array A consisting of an integer is given. It contains daily prices of a stock share for a period of n consecutive days. In a single share was bought on day P and sold on day Q. For example, it can be day 1, it can be day 2, and where 0 is greater than 0 is smaller than or equal to P, and P is smaller than equal to Q, Q is smaller than equal to N. That means N will be the highest. Then the profit of such transaction is equal to AQ minus AP, provided that AQ is greater than equal to AP. Otherwise, the transaction brings loss of AP minus AQ. So this is the equation, how the algorithm will work. It's defining about equation. Sorry, I forgot to change the. Now I think it's more visible and lighting. And for example, this is the array, given array with some values, share values or stock price you can say, and it's explaining how actually it will be work to follow this equation. In a share we bought on day 0, that means index number 0, and sold on day 2, that means index number 2. A loss of $2048 euro whatever would occur because A index number 2 minus A index number 0. If we will do it, you see 21,123, this value minus this, then it's showing minus this figure, that means it's loss. If a share was bought on day 4 and sold on day 5, if you will buy your share within this date and sell in this date, then profit will be this figure, like this equation which we already saw. And maximum possible profit was, our main target is to find out maximum profit. This is 354. You see, after minus or deducting whatever you can say, it would occur if a share we bought on day 1, that means index number 1, and sold on day 5, that means index number 5. 21,365 minus 21,011, then we will get 356 profit. This is our highest profit. You can calculate rest of others, you will see this is the highest profit. So our main target to get maximum possible profit. So it's also same thing, and this is the class and this is the method. And we should follow these rules because integer value should be within this range, and each element of array A is an integer in the range of 0 to 200,000. So now let's start to solve this problem. Nah, it's not too much coding, so we can do it like this by ourselves. Initially we are defining like this way. After that we are checking if the array is empty or not. If it will be like this, then we don't need to check anything, because only one value, how we can calculate it. If it will be like this, then what we have to do, should return 0. Now we will calculate. We can start to count index number 1. When it will start index number 1, I hope we don't need to do it. -1. Max sum. It can be like this way. Max slice equal to max slice and max sum, but we should use this one also. Let's try to run. Is it working or not? Got 354, but expected this one. Okay, that's nice, because we missed this one. Now I hope it will work. Yeah, it's true. Now everything is fine. I have to check just a second. I understand. I missed something. Now I hope it will work fine. Now should be fine. You see, now everything is fine, because I missed 0 and this plus, that's why. I hope you understand. For your understanding, now I am recapping again. At first I defined two variables, two local variable, because we define it inside the method, that's why. After that we are checking if the array is only one element or empty. If it's empty, then we don't need to count more, so that's why it should be return 0. For getting 100%, I want to make sure one more thing. Okay, yeah, then it will be more effective. If it will be less than 1 or equal to 1, then we don't need to check anything, because only one values, then we don't need to deduct it, because we don't have any second value to check which one is giving us profit or not. That's why we should make sure about this. When it will be more than 1, then it will work properly. So after that we define one for loop. Inside this for loop, at first we calculate maximum sum, or you can say maximum element, whatever you want. So after that we define this method. It's built-in method, and at first we initialize 0, then maximum sum plus index number I minus index number I minus 1. So maximum. After that we are trying to find maximum slice, math maximum. At first maximum slice, after that maximum sum, and we return maximum slice. So we see it's worked properly. Now we are going to submit. I hope we will receive 100% score. Yeah, we fulfill all the requirements, that's why we received 100% score. And it's easy, it's not very hard problem. You see, it's defining easy, and this is our code. I hope everyone understand. If and time complexity is big O n, that means it's perfect, and from all the consequences it's fulfill all the requirement. So I hope everyone understand it. If anyone don't understand, please write your comment in the comment section, and subscribe my channel, and try to help others to know about my channel, and share it with your friends. And okay, then see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.